Have you ever found yourself wondering how to fix a Cash App transfer pending? We've all been there, staring at that pesky pending notification and wondering what went wrong. Don't worry, you're not alone, and there are straightforward solutions to get your money moving again. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of fixing a Cash App transfer pending issue, ensuring you can continue with your financial transactions smoothly and efficiently. Stick with us, and by the end, you'll have a pocket full of tips and tricks to tackle any transfer woes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you'll want to do when facing a pending transfer on Cash App is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection could be causing the delay. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the connection strength improves. A strong and stable connection can help troubleshoot and potentially resolve the pending status. Step 2. Verify your account detail. Make sure that all account details, such as your recipient's information, are correct and up to date. Even a single typo could disrupt the transaction process. Go into your Cash App settings to review all saved banking details and your recipient's details, ensuring everything is accurate. Correct information is key to avoiding unnecessary delays. Step 3. Check for app updates. Another critical step is to ensure that your Cash App application is up to date. Sometimes pending issues arise due to outdated versions of the app. Visit your app store and check for available updates to Cash App. Downloading and installing the latest version may include bug fixes and optimizations that automatically resolve the pending transfer. Step 4. Confirm available funds. Double check your Cash App balance to ensure you have enough funds to cover the transaction. If your account balance is low, transfer or deposit additional money to ensure the transaction can proceed smoothly. Furthermore, confirming that there are no holds or restrictions on your account can eradicate any potential blocks on your cash transfer. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you've gone through the previous steps and the issue persists, it's time to reach out to Cash App support. Within the app, navigate to the support section and submit a detailed request regarding your pending transaction. Cash App's customer service will guide you through further troubleshooting steps or provide insights into the cause of the delay. Step 6. Monitor your email for alerts. Lastly, keep an eye on your email for any alerts or notifications from Cash App. Sometimes the app will send emails regarding transfers that require additional verification. By responding to these promptly, you can facilitate the completion of the pending transfer. Understanding how to fix a Cash App transfer pending issue can save time and frustration. By ensuring a stable internet connection, verifying details, updating the app, confirming available funds, contacting support, and monitoring email alerts, you can resolve most problems. Remember, technology isn't perfect and glitches do happen. With the right steps, you can move past the pending status and enjoy seamless transactions again. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.